Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So in the last previous video, we showed the one app that is in a prank video call and call app, and it's a quiz and everything is there. So I hope you people like it. And if you want that kind of application to build for you, we will going to do the completely reskin work to you. And it's included with the reskin prices and app prices and everything. Even we'll going to publish and we will going to use our 20 tester services also in that. No need to pay for the 20 testers also. 12 testers. It has been changed recently. So we publish so many videos of the app publishing. So many people asking for me show the ending application, which can be able to make a huge revenue, and it going to get a huge TPM also, and within a live proofs of so many people ask us. So what we did, we brought one more application that is related to high CPM. It's like in a banking sector. So many people scared that according to the Google policy, if it is a banking sector app, it is going to get a terminated. No. If you are using a real money, then your account will going to get a terminated, not terminated. If you have organization account for that, it's not going to get a terminated, and you need to have a approval document from the RBI. Then you can able to publish your app. But come to the revenue part, that ads section you want to use, and it's like in a calculator or banking information, that kind of app, it can make a huge revenue too, and the banking sector gets a very good revenue in that. So I will going to show one calculator app that recently we have been published in our calculator app. Let me open. So this is our calculator app, financial tool, that EMI calculator. These are huge, and we have been published in so many play consoles. As you can see, while we open our app, you will going to get a open when we open the app, you will going to get a open ad. In the ad mob you can see open ad. So here next we will going to see, as you can see, there is so many features has been added. We will going to provide you in the cheapest price for you. With the reskin services, it is not going to look like that. We will going to show you in the upcoming we will going to show how you will going to make everything. So here is a specification calculator. As you can see, there is a EMI calculator, advanced calculator, GST calculator, VAT calculator, tips and age calculator, discount calculator, percentage and equality calculator, random number calculator. Okay, so this comes to a general calculator part, and this app is so much big app, not a small app. We try to include all the things in one place only. So that's the reason, and it has a very quality also. First I will go into what are the features we have been added. Then if you go down, the loan calculators are there. This is the most important thing. You can able to when you are using AdMob, you are going to get a huge revenue in this, because the banking sector apps and loan sector apps and health insurance sector apps, you will get high CTM ads on that. So that's the reason so many like us geniuses, we use only this kind of apps, and we'll make the revenue in that. And in this also you will have a AdMob and Facebook and AdPillow ads in that. So here in the calculator, loan calculator and loan amount calculator, loan terms, personal loan, loan compare, reduced loan, mortgage loan and creative loan profile, view loan profile, home loan profile, instant calculator and unit price calculator, instant rating. Okay, then again is banking calculator, FD calculator, and resource deposit, public prevent fund, interested compound, cash calculator, SIP calculator, advanced EMI calculator, SWP calculator, lump sum calculator, equal saving, FD interest rate, sales and tax calculator, and currency converter, retirement calculator, debit payoff calculator, financial goal calculator. Oh my god, for saying so many things, it's very for me to encouraging step by step here. So let's see more are there here. Not only that, in the stocks ads also you will get a huge revenue in that. So here we have a stock calculator also, in-date calculator, delivery calculator, future stock calculator, options trading calculator, stock calculator, break-even calculator, targeting price calculator, CGR calculator, and divisor yield calculator, tax on gain calculator, risk reward calculator, stock splitting, bonus import, the balancing calculator, invoice value calculator, inventory goal calculator, optimize, break even, PL. Oh my god, I don't know, to be honest. In this stock so many things are there. So whoever want, it's like completely like an all-in-one combo is there. So whoever really like, they can able to take, and it makes very good revenue also for you, because the ads will going to get here quality ads. As you can see, we are been just on the top of that app only. So here government yogna calculator, this is related to the government what we call the schemes. According to that, the loans are there: SSY calculator, Krishna Vakas but calculator, NS gratification, graduation scheme, Atal pension scheme, PM Jona Yodna, PM Sugati Bima, senior citizen saving, POMS calculator, NPS calculator, EPF calculator, MSSC calculator. So these all calculators are there. If you want to see, we have been scrolling, so we can able to see. If you can able to go here directly also, the calculator he will going to show. See the tools. Oh my god, here this is a thing. And next thing is tools. Here you can see there is a something EMI information, type of EMI, all about the documents you can able to find. If I am clicking, what are the documents you required for giving back and slips, all those things. You require the salary slip, and what are the things you required. As you go back, EMI on Aadhaar, EMI calculator, bank balance, credit score, nearby ATM, nearby scene. This also is a, and marketing like NFT, banking sector, gold rate, Bitcoin rate, and currency rate, share market, share IPOs, and cryptocurrency, candlelight analyzing, EMI types, home loan EMI, car EMI, and all those things are there, and services also we have added. So I will just going to open one calculator, that is EMI calculator. While we open here, I will going to show that 50 lakhs EMI calculator, rate of interest is 18%, tenure is in years is 5 years. So if we calculate it, so these are the results are there, and here you can get going to see the native ads here. And if I see the details, the ad will going to load to you. See, you can see here ad, all the ads will look quality. So this is an only test ad, so it won't be a problem to close it. As we can see, here is a monthly base and yearly base also. You can able to know how the principal and everything. It's very easy for you, and you can make very good revenue on this. Whether we going to random calculator also is that you can able to generate here, and marketing candle also. If I going to see the crypto prices today, here is a Bitcoin prices, and if you want to see, show the currency rates also here. You can see add here, and after that close. So you can see here what is exactly prices is been showing here. So this all the rate, and gold prices also you can able to see here only. So most of people they will going to find where we can able to see the gold prices. So these are the extent prices. Okay, and apart from that, as you can see, we have been published here our apps also. As you can see this is the app we already been published in Play Store also. As you can see, this is our app in Play Store, and here also some other apps, same apps, but we made the completely reskin and we published, so there will be no copyright for you. You have your own license. Every time we make a unique app for you, app will be same, but the completely reskin we will going to do for a cheapest price for you. And here you can see here also is the same calculator, but it's quite different way we made it, so that should be not been a copyright to you. And you can see here is a more attractive type of a calculator we made it. See here, you can say if you want, you can able to test, you can find these names and you can search, you can able to find it. The next app we will going to show you about the task application, how much revenue you can able to make it, what the real amount you can able to make it. So you can see in upcoming video that please like and subscribe to our channel. Please like click on the bell icon so you can able to see more apps. And the next video we're going to show how exactly how you can able to make a revenue like in $1,000 every month. No need to struggle and everything like that. Okay, thank you so much. Like and subscribe to our video. Thank you so much.